How to fix Google Maps arrow wrong direction. So this issue might arise because your application is not up to date. In order to check it out, head over to your App Store. In the search bar, search for Google Map. And then head over to this app. Right here, instead of open, if you see the option of update, then your application is not up to date. And it might be one of the reasons that you are having the issue. If that's the case, simply tap on update and update your app. Once you have got the latest version of the app, the next thing you want to try doing is head over to the settings of a device and then move into general. Head over to iPhone Stories. In this page, search for the application Google Map. Once you find it, head over to it. Tap on Offload App and then once again click on Offload App. Offloading app means clearing the cache and the storage of the application. It will make your application run smoothly and also remove all of the unwanted bugs. Once it has been offloaded, check if the issue has been fixed or not. If you're still having the issue, then what you want to do is uninstall the app and then reinstall it. Reinstalling the app will definitely help you out and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can fix Google Maps arrow wrong direction. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.